Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Mitsubishi Outlander. This is 2014 model, and the issue is with the DPF. So the DPF is all clogged up. So what happens is we try to remove the DPF temperature sensor, which is just that which I'm pointing out, uh, to spray some fluid in to clean the DPF. But it didn't work. So what I did is I've removed 3 nuts and bolts from here. They were 17 mm nuts and bolts. Just gonna show you, there were 2 bolts here, 2 and then 1 nut. So that's the excess inside DPF. So that's where we're gonna spray the spray bottle, the cleaner, to clean the DPF. Right, so the product we are using is Motip DPF cleaner. uh, so this is a non-flammable fluid which is gonna clean the DPF from inside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the whole canister inside. We've got the dispenser here, that's what we're gonna use. So just gonna start the procedure. So before I use the canister, I'm just gonna shake it well. Here comes the dispenser. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna gain the excess from DPF from this side of it, and it's gonna spray the whole canister inside. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the car stationary for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna start the car up. Hopefully that's gonna clean the exhaust system and the DPF itself. This bottle costed us $9.99 from our local auto part shop. It's a very useful formula. I've used it before as well. It's quite good, very promising. So we'll empty the whole canister as I mentioned. Then I'm gonna put the DPF back where I pulled it from. The reason why we are spraying it from here, from the neck, is because we couldn't remove the temperature sensor. So what happens is once you spray this canister, you'll have to take it for a drive for half an hour, and you need to blast the car out on the motorway to get all the soot out of the exhaust system from the DPF itself. The beauty about this canister is that it says that you can use it upside down as well, like this. You can have it upright or upside down, both ways be okay. Almost there. There we go friends, that's that done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna push the DPF back into the neck here, back into the original position. Just gonna tighten the just gonna line up. Yeah, that's that done. One here under. Perfect. And one on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the car stationary for about 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to take it for a run, and hopefully that's going to clean the exhaust system nicely. Okay, so I'm not gonna make a movie on this particular part, but you can clearly see what I've done here. So just gonna fabricate the engine again. So in order to remove the DPF from here, I had to remove the air filter, engine cover, the turbo engine cover, the pipe going into the turbo from the air filter box. Okay, so hopefully this video is going to help you sort your problem out with your car. Thank you very much for watching the video.